They're fishing. Yeah, we can put fish in it. Right, Hans?
Make an aquarium.
Green stuff is not good for your fish.
See those tiny fish, Lorabel, we will get.
You're done. Look at all these things over here.
Look at the leaves over there.
Go help Andy. Walk over there without tripping on the black cord, because that's a delicate operation over there. Too short. This is supposed to be full of air. It's so full of water I can't pick it up.
Oh,
It's stuck in there.
really?
Wait, what? Is it frozen?
Yeah. Just don't throw it anywhere, bro. We gotta pick them all up.